Hi, this is Dr. Riaz Khan, Department of Zoology, Government Degree College, Narayanpet, District Mahbub Nagar, erstwhile district, State Telangana. Today's our topic is Petromyzon and Myxin. These are the two organisms or species. It is for the BSc, BJC, second and third semester zoology student purpose. Okay, we are going to entering the main topic. Here we will discuss it few points about the Petromyzon and Myxin. These two species or organisms belongs to class Cyclostomata. This class Cyclostomata belongs to the division Agnatha. Here all agnathans are extinct except these two Petromyzon Myxins are lives on earth. So they are the extinct living species Petromyzon Myxins. They are the world most primitive vertebrates, Petromyzon and Myxins. We consider these things. Okay, now we are going to entering the our main content, that is Petromyzon Myxin, means comparisons between the Petromyzon and Myxin. Petromyzon and Myxin. Now we'll start discussing the first one, Petromyzon. Let us take this marker. Okay, now start with the Petromyzon. See first, same, it belongs to the class Cyclostomata. Myxin, it also belongs to the class Cyclostomata. These two organisms belongs to the class Cyclostomata. Few days back we discussed the cyclostomatans, their characters, what they have. Okay, you can check it the previous class. Okay, so it belongs to the Petromyzon belongs to the Cyclostomata. Myxin also belongs to the Cyclostomata. Next point, it is commonly called lamprey. In come to the Myxin, it is commonly called hugfish. Next, Petromyzon, it lives in marine water. Myxin also lives in marine water, right? Next, Petromyzon, it shows anadromous migration, but anadromous migration absent in Myxin. What? Anadromous migration means what? Migration we have 4 or 5 types. Catadromous, anadromous, amphimedromous, potamodromous. These are the types of migrations. But here we want anadromous migration. What? Anadromous migration means what? Simple, if any organisms migrate seawater to river, sea to river, if any organism migrate from sea to river, we call anadromous migration. Just remember, sea to river. If any organisms migrate from sea to river, we call anadromous migration, but such migration absent in the Myxin. Okay. Next, it is a sanguivorous parasite. Petromyzon is a sanguivorous parasite. Myxin is a necrophagous animal. What? Sanguivorous means what? Necrophagous means what? Here sanguivorous means blood sucking animals are called sanguivorous. What about the necrophagous? Necrophagous means debris and dead bodies eaters animals are called necrophagous. So Myxins eat the debris and dead bodies. In come to the Petromyzon, it is the blood suckers. Okay, next Petromyzon. Lampridine in Petromyzon saliva, lampridine anticoagulant substance is present. Means in Petromyzon saliva, lampridine anticoagulant substance is present. Okay, but that substance means lampridine, that anticoagulant substance absent in the Myxin. Anticoagulant means what? Anticoagulant means what? It prevent the blood clot. It prevent the blood clot during the blood sucking time. Because of the this Petromyzon is a sanguivorous. It is a blood sucker animals. During blood sucking time, what happened? This lampreynin prevent the blood clot. So organisms easily suck the blood. Okay. So lampreynin present in the petromyxin, absent in the myxin. Next petromyxin. The body is cylindrical shape. Okay, the body is cylindrical shape. In come to the myxin, the body is slender and eelfish like. Slender and eelfish like. Okay, see you can see see these are the which body this is the myxin body slender like that, slender, thin. Okay in come to the petromyxin, their body is cylindrical, means it has a like that, this cylindrical shape, cylindrical. Okay, next next point, in petromyxin buccal funnel is present. In come to the myxin, buccal funnel is absent but mouth bearing the tentacles. What is the buccal funnel? Buccal funnel is a circular structure or wheel organ, wheel like structures, round or circular structures. Generally cyclostomata means stomata means mouth, cyclo means round, means circular mouth animals are called cyclostomata. So the class cyclostomata animals mouth has a circular round shape. Okay, that's why here buccal funnel is present. Buccal funnel is nothing but wheel like structure or circular structures. I will show you to you. Okay, if we see, like this are like see here, this is the buccal funnel, like that round or like the where with wheel like structures, that is the buccal funnel. So what I am saying in petromyxin buccal funnel is present, but in myxin buccal funnel is absent but mouth bearing the tentacles. This tentacles absent in the petromyxin see, if you see diagram here, myxin see like this these are the tentacles like that, see these are the tentacles So petromyxins do not have tentacles but myxins have tentacles, but myxin do not have the buccal funnel. This is the difference between the petromyxin and myxin. Lot of is there, but these are the main thing. Next eighth character, horny teeth are found in buccal funnel and tongue. Means in petromyxin which teeth horny teeth found in the buccal funnel and tongue. In come to the myxin, small teeth are found in tongue, but in myxin teeth are found only in tongue. In come to the petromyxin, teeth found in buccal funnel and tongue. Okay, next point seven pair of what I am saying seven pair of gills are present in petromyxin. In come to the myxin, 6 pair of gills are present. These are the important characters. In ninth point is in petromyxin 7 pairs of gills. In come to the myxin, 6 pairs of gills are present. If you wanted to see clear, see here in this diagram. See, you count it here almost can enlarge. Okay, these are the you can see here exact 7 pairs of gills are found in the petromyxin Here we take here here 12 pair, here in myxin 12 pairs is there, but generally here we discussing the myxin glutinosa species. Myxins other have genus so other genus has 12 pairs of gills, but what we are discussing today is myxin glutinosa. It has only how many pairs of gills It has only 6 pairs of gills. It has only 6 pairs of gills. Okay this is the petromyxin myxin characters. Next petromyxin. Okay, next here next character 10 pairs of cranial nerves are present in petromyxin. 10 pairs of cranial nerves are present in myxin. In myxin 8 pairs of cranial nerves are present. Okay, next come to the 11th point. Inner ear has 2 semicircular canals. In come to the myxin, inner ear has 1 semicircular canal. In 12th ma, in petromyzin, penile I is present. In myxin, penile I is absent. Okay. Next, in petromyzin, mesonephric kidneys are present. In myxin, pronephric kidneys are present. Right. Next, in petromyzin, they are unisexual. In come to the myxin, they are bisexual. What's unisexual means what? Bisexual means what? So here unisexual means ma sexes are separate, means male and female are separate, both are separated. What is the bisexual? Both sexes means both reproductive means male and female reproductive organs present in only one organisms. If one organisms have both reproductive organs like male and females, we call bisexual. Okay, means both sexes are present only in one organisms, we call bisexuals. Okay, so petromyzins are the unisexuals, myxins are the bisexuals. Next, my 15 one, development is direct. In come to the myxin, development is direct. What is the difference between the indirect and direct? Indirect means petromyzin first the produce the egg, that egg later convert into the larvae. It has a two stages, egg and larvae. Myxin development is direct, means it directly produce the younger one like the human being. So development is direct. One most important for entrance point of view, in petromyzin life history include Ammocetus larvae. It is most important. My general entrance point of view ask ma Ammocetus larvae is found in which organisms? Just like that petromyzin or lamprey. The petromyzin lamprey are same. You think these things? Okay, you remember these things. But in myxin, larva is absent. Why the larva is absent? Because it gives directly younger ones ma. Did not need to produce the egg that egg later develop into the larvae, because they produce the direct younger one. So that's why larva is absent in the myxin. See, these are some comparisons between the petromyzin and myxin. See ma here, see this is the petromyzin. You can clearly see these are the 7 pairs of gills ma here counted there. This is the myxin structures ma. These are the these are the most important features ma in entrance point of view. Maybe exam also they ask sometime only petromyzin general characters, sometimes they ask only myxin characters. But entrance point of view, there each characters, how many pairs of gills and how many pairs of cranial nerves, and inner areas how many semicircular canals. Each and every point is important for entrance point of view ma. Okay, these are the petromyzin and myxin structures. These are the comparisons between petromyzin and myxins. See, it has a 7 gills. It has a, but some myxins has 6 pairs, some myxins have 12 pairs of gills ma. Okay, both are correct. See, here the mouth contain tentacles, but here mouth has a buccal like structures, round funnel like structures ma. For clarity purpose, see here ma, like see here, see this is the round funnel like structures. This is the petromyzin mouth ma. It look like the funnel, means wheel like structures ma. Okay, this is the myxin. This is the myxin ma. Actually it means it produce directly which one, my younger one. So if we will see the adult, it's some different in shape and structure ma. Okay, I think it is a younger one, so it can be seen clearly here. Okay, these are the book diagram for the petromyzin. These are the diagram for the book diagram, like this will be draw the book diagram, but then come to the realities look like this thing, this way and this way is the petromyzins. These are the most primitive vertebrates, their all relatives are extinct, but these are the still alive. It is the significance of this two species, Petromyzin and Myxins. Even it is found in almost in sea area of the Atlantic seas, some in almost in sea areas. Okay, this is the Petromyzin and Myxin comparisons and their characters. So finally our topic is completed, and thank you. And also one more thing, it is important for examination point of view, means separate Petromyzin characters, Myxin characters. Okay, and also one of the most important point for the Ammosytus larvae. Okay, this is our topic. Thank you.